It's time for Futures in Focus and a blow for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies today. That's as the SEC postpones a decision on allowing a Bitcoin ETF. Let's bring in Bill Baruch of Blue Line Futures, who's at the CME. Bill, once again, this is just throwing cold water on some of the bulls out there, and it's been a knock across many a coin.
Yeah, we're seeing the $6,000 level in Bitcoin being hit once again. It's hit it 3-4 times. Each bounce has been less unenthusiastic than the other, and that's worrisome. Ultimately, you look back on a technical basis, back where this thing really started ripping in the second half of last year. And there's this support here, and I look at Ethereum. There's this support there as well, aligning with Ethereum in the 400s, high 400s. At some point, if it keeps testing, it's going to break. I do remain longer-term bullish, and now I believe the SEC has until the end of September to confirm or deny moving forward with a Bitcoin ETF. I do think, if they could, all things considered, you're going to see something positive come from this, and I think Bitcoin's going to have its day once again. But I am very worried in the near term. How could you not be?
Bill, remind us why SEC approval for an ETF would be so important for Bitcoin's wider adoption and indeed investment.
Well, it gives that sign off on the regulatory agency, and regulatory headwinds have been the key reason why Bitcoin has been going down. It will open the doors for larger adoption. You'll see institutional adoption, and potentially, you may not be seeing people pay with Bitcoin to go to 7-Eleven and get a Slurpee, but ultimately that institutional adoption, and then the adoption of blockchain on other aspects. You're already starting to see blockchain adopted across many facets of institutional as well as administrative levels. But this will, again, give it that quote-unquote sign-off and allow it to be adopted on a larger basis. Ultimately here, it's, there's news on a daily basis on Bitcoin. You can pay attention to it, but is it really that important? That's the question. If you're in it and you're invested in it, you're invested for the long term. I really personally do not care about the $500 swings in Bitcoin on a day-to-day or a week-to-week basis. If you believe in it, you buy it, close your eyes, and see where it is down the road here in another 12, 18 months.